Hello everyone. The easiest way to teach a child how to read is by first teaching them the sounds made by each letter. This is called phonics. Let us see the phonic sound of each letter of the alphabet. Let's start. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's play a game to reinforce the phonic sounds and strengthen our gross motor skills along with it. Alright, now can you jump to the letter which makes the sound of W? Good job! Now P. Very good. Now how about T? Awesome. Now let's go to G. Good job. How about X? Very good. Next go to B. That's it. And now go to Z. Good job. Awesome. Now, how about an activity to develop fine motor skills while reinforcing phonic sounds? So, I have written down some letters on pieces of bubble wrap using acrylic paint. Now, when I tell you the phonic sound, you have to pick up the bubble wrap with that letter and pop it. That sounds like fun, right? Let's start with G. Now, what letter makes the sound of F? That's right. Pop it. Now, which letter makes the sound of D? Good job. Pop it. Yay, that was fun. Did you enjoy it? Super! Like this video and share it with others. Subscribe to this channel for more such fun learning and click on the bell icon to be the first to watch the latest video.